Welcome back to Yitabana Electromechanical. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, how smart home technology keep your family safe from electrical hazards. Let's get started. Did you know smart outlets come equipped with built-in circuit breakers? They can instantly cut off power during a short circuit or overload, preventing dangerous fires and electric shocks. Plus, with remote monitoring features, you can check the status of your outlets right from your phone. No more guessing if something's overheating. And don't forget the energy-saving capabilities. Automatic shut-off timers can reduce consumption and minimize risks. That's a win-win. Now let's talk about smart sensors. Smart smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms provide crucial early warnings in emergencies, giving you precious time to evacuate. And with smart water leak detectors, you'll receive alerts about potential water damage from faulty wiring or plumbing issues. Talk about peace of mind. Welcome to the section on Smart Home Hub and Advanced Safety. Everything connects in one place with Smart Home Hubs. They integrate all your devices, allowing for seamless monitoring. You can set up personalized automation, like turning off lights when you leave the house, to minimize unattended power usage. With real-time data and alerts, you'll have complete control over your home's electrical safety. Smart Home Hubs, the central point for all smart devices. They make it super easy to manage everything from one place. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and security cameras from a single hub, creating a smarter, safer, and more efficient home. But we're not done yet. Advanced features like smart circuit breakers with AI can analyze electrical patterns to predict problems before they occur. And emerging technologies like wireless power transfer can eliminate the need for cords and outlets, reducing tripping hazards and shocks. That's the future of safety. To recap, integrating smart home tech is a game changer for electrical safety. I encourage you to research and explore the latest devices that can enhance your family's safety. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Invest in your family's safety today with smart home tech. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on creating a safer home.